Why Israel is always at the center of the end times. Ezekiel 38. Zechariah 12. Revelation 16. Have you ever wondered, why is Israel, a tiny nation, always in the headlines? Why does the world's attention keep turning back to Jerusalem? Because this small piece of land is God's chosen stage for the final act of human history. Thousands of years ago, the prophets saw it. In the latter days, many nations will rise against Israel, and I will bring them against my people. Ezekiel 38:16. Jerusalem will become a cup of trembling to all nations around. Zechariah 12:2. And in Revelation, the final battle, Armageddon, will be centered around this land. Why? Because the enemy isn't just after territory, he's after God's promises. Israel is the proof that God is faithful. A land once scattered, restored. A people once forgotten, remembered. A covenant once broken, renewed by grace. Satan hates Israel not because of politics, but because through Israel came the Messiah, and through Israel will come his return. Jesus will not return to New York, Paris, or Rome. He will set his feet on the Mount of Olives in Jerusalem. Zechariah 14:4. And that's why the battle rages, not just in the flesh, but in the spirit. Israel is the clock. Jerusalem is the target. And Jesus is the soon-coming king. So keep your eyes on Israel, because when the nations rise against her, heaven is getting ready to respond.